How y'all doing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. And if you are new here, welcome to the club, baby.
So today it is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you all, mummies. We love and appreciate you guys so much. We see your work, we see your effort. Bona, you guys are the stars of this world. So in honor of Mother's Day, I'm heading out right now with my lady to go get a few things for like breakfast and the lunch that I'm going to cook. We were meant to go out on a like ice cream date. I'll insert a picture here of the place she's been wanting to go to, but because of the weather is weathering on us on the special day, we had to change our plans. So we're gonna do like a Mother's Day breakfast photo shoot on bed. Yeah, but I hope this all works out, and please do enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on the flip side. The things we do for love does it. This is what we got from Spa. Got some breast here. I'm gonna make pasta, so we got some breast, cheese, bacon. To the ladies, we got this, and then we got some butternut, and then we got pancakes, strawberries, berries here, cream for the pasta and the spinach, and then grape tizer, apple tizer, and then we got syrup. I was about to buy honey, but my lady was like, no, buy syrup, so I saved a lot. And then the last item was the flavored water, and then we got flowers. And for all these smaller things, we spent $508 just for these. We got these flowers. How pretty are these flowers? And they match the balloons, guys. How nice.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Culinary, and welcome to the club.
Seeing eyes of mine.
Welcome. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. I'm starting my vlog or continuing it. I'll see. But that's not the point. I am very sorry for not uploading the past 4 weeks, I think. It's been a rough one, but I'll probably speak about it in like a separate video. For now, I am actually preparing for school, so yeah, so let's get prepared. Let me wear my uniform and then we'll chat later. Bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Alive, still in good condition, child. They're still alive and yes, and thriving. Like, I'm impressed. 4 weeks later.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all.
Cooking soul, babe.
I begin to
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never.
Guys, so I was about to close this video and actually upload it, but then I realized that I didn't explain what was happening during the weekend. So I am just here to give you like a little bit of a backstory, not a backstory, but just for you guys to have an idea. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I went to basically go help Mabena and Naledi. You remember the last time they made me pick or find what is this, a person to do their dresses like on the last minute? this time around they made me cook kadi last minute. Like last minute is their brand. Like Mapena and Naledi hashtag last minute. Mukundi and Naledi hashtag last minute. We went to go cook on Saturday and it was I learned a lot from that, and I'm grateful that I got the opportunity to do that. And yeah, man. So on Friday we were just basically preparing. You'll just see it now. We were preparing, chopping, cooking, and all of that. I couldn't really vlog because everything was just all over the place, and me vlogging would take longer because I was still from school and I was exhausted from the week that I had. So yeah, hopefully like from now on I'll try and vlog and be a better person. But for now, this is what I'm giving you guys, and I hope, and I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. And this will be me signing out till the next video or vlog. Bye. We are finally home, Bandla. To say that I am tired, to say that I'm tired is an understatement, but it was all worth it. And yeah, man.